Hi everyone, welcome to Marvel Soft School Admin. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to configure the email settings, how to add email templates, and how to send emails, and how to check the email sent status in our school admin software. Let's start the video. Use a username and password to log into the software. First, I will show how to configure the email settings. Go to Options and click on Settings. Select Email Settings. Enter the host URL in this box. I am entering the host URL, mail.marvelsoft.co.in. Enter SMTP port number in this box. I am entering port number 465. Select the Secure Mode checkbox. Enter your mail ID in this box. I am entering from email ID saca@marvelsoft.co.in. Enter your username in this box. I am entering the username saca@marvelsoft.co.in. Select the Change Password checkbox and enter password in this text box. I am entering the password. Then click on Update. Next I am going to show how to add email templates. Click on SMS and Emails Alerts menu. Then click on Email Template menu. Now click on Add button here. Then type the template name. I am typing the template name as School Admin. Select the message type. I am selecting General here. Enter the email subject here. I am entering Greetings from Marvel Soft School Admin. Then type message. What message you want, you can type here. I am typing a message like this. Click on Add, then close it. The email message is added. Now I am going to show you how to send email messages to staff or students. Go to the SMS and Email Alerts menu. Click on Send Email Messages. Select message type and also select message template type. Now I am selecting Greeting from Marvel Soft School Admin type messages. Here you can edit the message, or if the message contains variables that must be filled in. Now you should select the receiver type, whether you want to send staff or students. I am selecting student, then click on the next button. It will take you to the student details window. Here you should select the class, select a section and also select the particular student. I am selecting one student. Now click on Send button. Email sent to the selected student. Once the messages are sent, we can track the message status, whether the messages are delivered or not. Go to the Message Sent Status menu. Here we can check whether the messages are delivered or not. And also you can check here which type of message you have sent. And also you can see the date and time. If the sent status is true to that particular mail ID, that messages are delivered. Or if it is showing false, the messages are not delivered. Now I am showing you the received mail. Here are the emails that were received in the specified Gmail inbox. If you need more information about School Admin, please contact us. Thank you for giving your valuable time to us. Don't forget to like, comment and share.